Welcome back. Whenever you create any new project, any new empty views activity project, you will get two files, mainActivity.kt or mainActivity.java if you are working with Java, and activity_.xml file. This file represents the user interface for the main activity of your Android application. And this file is located inside the resources folder and the layout folder. You can see it, activity_main.xml file. Inside this file, you define the UI components and their arrangement using XML elements. These elements are used to create views such as buttons, text views, image views, and others, and view groups such as linear layout, constraint layout, relative layout, and others, to build the visual representation of your app's user interface. From the left, you can see the palette. Choose it, and you can select many views and view groups. I'll start with the common, and you can drag and drop a text view, a button, an image, and so on. And from the right, you can see attributes tab. You can hide it and show it. And here you can specify various attributes for each view or view group, such as the ID, layout width, layout height, and other view-specific properties. You can also set the appearance and the behavior of the UI elements like text or text views, background images for image views, and click event handlers for buttons. For example, this is the text view. I need to change the text, so I can write here, welcome to our course, click enter, and you can see welcome to our course is the new text inside this text view. Also, there are a lot of attributes. If you scroll down, you can see them. I'll define, if I scroll down, text color. You can choose many colors, or you can define your hex code. I'll choose this red, click enter, and here we go. The XML layout file allows you to define a hierarchical structure for your UI. You can nest views and view groups within one another to create complex layout. By the way, this is a view, this is a view, this is a view, this is a view. If I need to arrange them into like a linear manner, I need to use a linear layout. So here from the layout tab, I can use a linear layout, either horizontal or vertical. Also, I can use a constraint layout. Later on, we'll talk about constraint layouts and others. And to view these views in a tree, you can go down to the component tree, and you can see this constraint layout is the main layout and the default layout for this XML file. We have 4 views, text view, image, and button. I'll drag and drop a linear layout inside this constraint layout, and I'll drag these text views into this linear layout. You can see that these views are arranged in a vertical way using this linear layout. So the view group or the layout, linear layout, is a view group that it is used to arrange and organize multiple views into a structural layout. And a view, which is the text view or a button or the image, is the basic building block of the Android user interface. It represents a single UI element such as a button, text field, image, or any other visual component that the user can interact with. In the next videos, we're going to learn more about these views and view groups.